Mercado Vial TV, un mundo de máquinas.
Good afternoon, James Harker here with Building Zone Industries. We've been fortunate to have the relationship here with Xtreme Manufacturing, representing our products here at this CONEXPO 2023. What you see behind us here is TRACKZILLA. It's a 5100 forklift. What we primarily do is we do steel construction. We work together, BZI and Xtreme work together with a great partnership, developing specialized machines for our processes. What this machine can do is it'll be able to set roof sections up to 100 feet in the air, and it'll be quite a game changer to this industry and the steel erection. So we're mighty fortunate to have this relationship, and would like to express appreciation to Don Ahern, especially in his workability to making this happen, bringing solutions to every problem. We're looking forward to seeing what this can do. You'll notice it's on tracks. The intent for the tracks is to give us the rolling stability. You're very stable as you roll down this bay, and you'll be able to pick those panels and set them up to 100 feet and be able to maneuver that panel because it's on stabilizers on these tracks. So obviously it's a very heavy machine. It needs to be able to distribute that weight on these tracks. It's 150,000 pounds. It's very high performance. It's got 675 horsepower engine. It's got dual hydraulic systems, so you can have the track speed that you need and be able to run your boom functions. So very fortunate. So one of the fascinating features with this machine is it allows you to fold in the tracks for transportation up to 12 feet wide. You can mobilize that, push that track out to 17 feet wide, and the purpose for that is to give it the stability that is needed. So the other thing with the cab system, you'll notice that the cab can come all the way down. You can step out, bring that cab all the way up, and you can have it to where you can see around the machine where you're working. In our case, we come in and grab a panel every 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll be able to bring that cab down to where you can see where you're grabbing that panel, and then lift that panel up, bring your cab back up, and head down that bay. So one of the many features this machine has. It's also got a steering configuration you can turn the steering in a configuration where you can rotate this on a dime. So all the steering can turn in towards each other and just rotate this machine. You'll notice a couple of these other attachments up here. What you see is a wall master right there. What that does is it allows us to panelize wall sections. And the way that thing works is you build that complete wall section on the ground level. So all that labor that would be in the air is on the ground. After that wall is built, you can lift that wall up, and that attachment comes in and picks that wall up, takes it around to the building side, rotates and goes up. So it's very effective. We're working to revolutionize the construction industry. We're pretty excited about what it can do. With the MesMaster here, that's what this TRACKZILLA will be hooking up to. Is it's an attachment that picks up roof sections and floor sections. And the way it works is it picks that panel up, it rotates 45 degrees, and it can go down that bay and lift it up and put it in position. So with BZI and their processes, the main goal is how do we get the labor out of the air onto the ground. So our whole purpose is how do we panelize both roof and floor systems and wall systems, getting all that work to the ground. So because you're able to get that labor on the ground, you're able to be much more efficient. You're not tied off. You're working below 6 feet in all cases. So because of that, we're able to meet record-breaking records in the construction industry. We've had records up to 175,000 square feet in one day. So with the whole process working together, we try to pick up a module and set it about between every 5 to 10 minutes, and it makes it amazing what kind of performance that does. The general contractors loves to work with us because of the safety and the efficiencies and how we're able to provide those schedule benefits. So thank you.